Welcome to learn about Longwell's cutting-edge EC backward curved centrifugal fan, the 400 series. As a global professional provider of air power solutions, our centrifugal fans are renowned for their outstanding performance, ultra-low noise, and reliable durability. Operating at 1460 RPM, it delivers a maximum airflow of 3,554 cubic meters per hour and a static pressure of 546 pascals. Widely used in industrial manufacturing, medical equipment, HVAC systems, fresh air purification, and more. We're certified with ISO, BSCI, CUL, and more, covering global standards for systems and products. Longwell offers a diverse range of product series, providing comprehensive fan solutions for various industries.